Good morning to everyone. Today we are going to discuss objective on tangent and normals. Already 5 problems are completed. Now we are going to discuss from 5th question on 6th question. The gradient of the curve y is equal to b e power minus x by a, where its cross y axis is. So gradient means slope. That means dy by dx. It's a cross y-axis. Any curve cross y-axis or cuts y-axis, x coordinate is equal to 0. So the curve cross y-axis, that is x is equal to 0. So given curve y is equal to b e power minus x by a, cuts y-axis, that is x is equal to 0. Any curve cuts y-axis, x coordinate is 0. Or any curve cuts x-axis, y coordinate is 0. So here the curve y is equal to b e power minus x by a cuts y-axis. So cuts y-axis, so x coordinate is 0. If x is 0, it is b e power minus x by a. So x value 0. So e power 0 by a. 0 by anything is 0. E power 0 value 1. So clearly we get y value. Okay, the curve cuts y-axis. Cuts y-axis means x is equal to 0. If x is 0, we get y value. Okay, but here find a gradient. Gradient means slope. Then a differentiation dy by dx. B is a constant. Derivative of e power minus x by a. E power minus x by a into derivative of minus x by a, that is minus 1 by a. Derivative of e power x. E power x. E power f of x. E power minus x by a. So that is e power minus x by a into derivative of minus x by a is minus 1 by a. So it is minus b by a minus b by a e power minus x by a. It is dy by dx. But the point is 0 comma b. So the gradient at 0 comma b, that is dy by dx is equal to minus b by a into e power minus 0 by e. So it is 0 by a is 0. E power 0 value 1. So it is minus b by e. So gradient of the curve, it's cross y-axis, cuts y-axis. Cuts y-axis means x is 0. If x is 0, then we get y value. Then find a derivative, that means a slope or a tangent or gradient. So after the derivative of this given curve, we get a b e power minus x by a into derivative of minus x by a is 1 by e. So at a 0 comma b, so this total value is 1. So we get minus b by e. Okay, copy this one. Copy this one. Okay, right. Next, seventh question. Seventh one, the equation of the tangent to the curve. Equation of tangent to the curve 6y is equal to 7 minus x cube at 1 comma 1 is at 1 comma 1 is. Find equation of tangent to the curve 6y equal to 7 minus x cube at 1 comma 1. So here given curve 6y is equal to 7 minus x cube. Equation of tangent means how to find equation of tangent? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So already given x1 y1, that is 1 comma 1. How to find m derivative of the given curve? So here 6 into dy by dx is equal to derivative of 7 is 0 minus 3x square. So it is 0 minus 3x square, that is 3x square. So derivative of 7 0, derivative of x cube is 3x square. 3 1 3. So 2 dy by dx is equal to minus x square at 1 comma 1. So that is x value 1. X value 1, 1 square is 1. So 2 dy by dx is equal to minus 1. What about dy by dx? It is minus 1 by. So it is slope. Find the equation of tangent. So equation of tangent. Equation of tangent. No need that formula. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So by cross multiplication, 2y minus 2 is equal to minus x plus 1. What about equation? It is x plus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. It is equation of tangent to the curve at the point 1 comma 1. Okay? Find the derivative of the given curve. We get a slope of tangent. Already given point 1 comma 1. So equation of tangent is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. By cross multiplication, we get x plus 2y minus 3 equal to 0. Okay, completed. Right, next, eighth question. Eighth one. Equation of tangent to the curve. Equation of tangent to the curve. Y is equal to x plus 4 by x square. That parallel to x axis is. That parallel to x axis is. The equation of tangent to the curve y is equal to x plus 4 by x square that parallel to x-axis. Any line parallel to x-axis means slope is 0. Then we get point x comma y. So first to find the derivative of the given curve. Then dy by dx is equal to 0. Why you consider dy by dx is equal to 0? It is a parallel to x-axis. Parallel to x-axis means slope is 0. That means dy by dx is equal to 0. So first given curve y is equal to x plus 4 by x square. Its derivative dy by dx. Derivative of x is 1 plus 4. Derivative of 1 by x square minus 2 by x. Okay? It is parallel to x-axis. That is dy by dx is equal to 0. If dy by dx is equal to 0, what about x value? That means it is dy by dx is 0. So 0 is equal to 1 minus 8 by x cube. So 8 by x cube is equal to 1. X cube is equal to 8. What about x value? It is 2. Okay, na? So it is a given curve. It's a derivative. It is a parallel to x-axis. That means the slope is 0. If a slope is 0, then we get x value 2. If x is equal to 2, what about y value? X value 2. 2 plus 4 by 4. It is a 3. It is from equation 1. Okay, na? Given curve, derivative. This it is a slope. Slope is equal to 0. Why? Because given it is a parallel to x-axis. If slope is 0, then we get x value 2. If x is equal to 2, then y value 3. Okay, na? Then find equation of tangent. So equation of tangent. Equation of tangent. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. What about x1, y1? Point is 2, 3 and slope 0. Why? Because here given it is a parallel to x-axis. So it is y minus 3 is equal to 0 into x minus 2. So clearly y minus 3 is equal to 0 or y is equal to 3. It is equation of tangent. Okay, na? This one. Okay, right. Next 90 question. Right, ninth one. The slope of normal to the curve x is equal to a into theta minus sin theta, comma y is equal to a into 1 minus cos theta. at theta is equal to pi by 2. The slope of normal to the curve x is equal to a into theta minus sin theta. Y is equal to a into 1 minus cos theta at theta is equal to pi by 2. Slope of normal. Find slope of tangent. First to find dy by dx. Then normal means perpendicular slope. Okay na? So dy by dx. Dy by dx. So the derivative of y. What about y? A into 1 minus cos theta. A into 1 minus cos theta. Divided by derivative of x. What about x? It is a into theta minus sin dy by dx. Derivative of y with respect to x. So derivative of y is a into 1 minus cos theta divided by derivative of x, a into sin theta minus cos theta. So a derivative of 1 constant is 0. Derivative of minus cos theta is sin theta. Derivative of cos is minus sin. Derivative of minus cos theta is plus sin theta. Divided by a into derivative of theta with respect to theta 1 minus derivative of sin theta, it is cos theta. A by a na? So it is a dy by dx. That means a slope. But given at theta is equal to pi by 2. So at theta is equal to pi by 2. Dy by dx. Numerator sin pi by 2. Theta value pi by 2. So in pi by 2, it is 1 divided by 1 minus cos pi by 2. Cos 90 is 0. 1 divided by 1. It is dy by dx. Dy by dx means it is a slope. Slope is 1. But here find a normal. So it's a normal. It's a normal. Normal means perpendicular. That is perpendicular. So perpendicular slope of 1 is minus 1. Okay na? Find dy by dx. Derivative at theta is equal to pi by 2 is 1. It is a tangent. Slope of tangent is 1. But here we have to find a normal. That means perpendicular. So perpendicular slope of 1 is minus 1. Okay na? Copy this one. Okay now? Right, next. 10th one. Tenth question. The slope of normal to the curve. The slope of normal to the curve x is equal to a t power 3 comma y is equal to a t power 4 at t is equal to 1 is slope of normal to the curve x is equal to a t power 3, y is equal to a t power 4 at t is equal to 1 is. Same previous one, dy by dx. That is a derivative of y a t power 4 divided by derivative of x a t power 3. A constant, derivative of t power 4 4t power 3 divided by a into 3t square. A remove t power 3 by t square, that means t 4t power 3 by 3t square, 4t divided by 3, it is dy by dx. dy by dx means slope given at t is equal to 1. So at t is equal to 1, dy by dx, that is 4 by 3. T value 1. Dy by dx means slope of tangent to the curve. But here find normal. Okay, na? Slope of the normal. So it's a normal. Normal means perpendicular is minus 3 by 4. So it is a slope m. Normal means minus 1 by m. That means minus 1 divided by 4 by 3. That is a minus 3 by 4. Okay, na? Copy this one. Okay, right, next. Equation of normal to the curve. Eleventh one. Equation of normal to the curve xk plus yk is equal to 6xy at 3, 3. Equation of normal. Equation of normal formula y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x1. So given curve xk plus yk is equal to 6xy. So first derivative 3x square. It is 3y square dy by dx is equal to 6 into derivative of xy, x into dy by dx plus y into derivative of x. Derivative of uv formula, x into derivative of y plus y into derivative of x, that is 1. 3 remove na? 3, 2. At 3, 3. So it is a 3 square 9. Y square means it is also 3 square 9 dy by dx is equal to 2 into 3, x value 3. It is a 6 dy by dx plus 2 into again 3. It is a 6. 9 dy by dx minus 6 dy by dx. It is a 3 dy by dx. 6 minus 9 minus 3. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to minus 1. It is a slope. Equation of normal. Equation of normal. Y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by m. Already m value minus 1. Normal means minus 1 by minus 1. So 1 into x minus x1. So both sides minus 3 remove. It is y is equal to x. X minus y is equal to 0. Equation of normal formula. Y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x1. It is formula. Find the derivative of the curve. We can, at 3, 3, we get the slope of tangent is minus 1. Then equation of normal y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. We get x minus y is equal to 0. Okay? Right. Okay, Nama? Right. Next question. Equation of normal to the curve. Equation of normal to the curve. X is equal to sin t. Y is equal to cos 2t. At t is equal to pi by 6 is. Equation of normal to the curve. X is equal to sin t. Y is equal to cos 2t. At t is equal to pi by 6. So first we have to find ordered pair. That means a point x comma y. How to find the point? X comma y is equal to x value sin t and y value cos 2t. Given at t is equal to pi by 6. Sin pi by 6. Sin 30 degrees. Cos 2 into pi by 6. That means pi by 3. 60 degrees. Cos 60 degrees. 1 by 2. So the ordered pair are point 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2. Equation of normal. Then find equation of tangent first, dy by dx. Then substitute d equal to pi by 6. We get a slope. That means tangent. Then equation of normal y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x1. So it is dy by dx is equal to derivative of y, that is cos 2t, divided by derivative of x, x is sin t. What about the derivative of cos theta? Minus sin theta. So derivative of cos 2t minus 2 sin 2t divided by derivative of sin t is cos. So it is a minus 2 into sin 2t, 2 sin t cos t divided by cos t. Cos remove, it is minus 4 sin t. It is a dy by dx. But at t is equal to pi by 6 now. So it is at t is equal to pi by 6. The slope of tangent, that is dy by dx, is equal to minus 4 sin pi by 6. Sin 30 degrees. Sin 30 degrees, it is 1 by 2. So you get minus 2. It is slope. Slope of tangent, this is. So equation of normal. Equation of normal. Y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x1. So here slope is minus 2. Its a perpendicular slope is 1 by 2. Y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by m. That means minus 1 by minus 1 by 2 into x minus x1. This x1 y1 is 0.1 by 2 comma 1. So it is 2y minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 into 2x minus 1 divided by 2. Both sides 2 remove. By cross multiplication, it is 4y minus 1 is equal to 4y minus 2 is equal to 2x minus 1. Then what about equation? 2x minus 4y plus 1 is equal to 0. 2x minus 4y plus 1 is equal to 0. It is equation of normal to the curve x equal to sin t, y is equal to cos 2t, at t is equal to pi by 6. Okay, done. Done. Next, 13th one. Equation of normal to the curve, equation of normal to the curve y is equal to x plus sin x cos x at x is equal to pi by 2 is equation of normal to the curve y is equal to x plus sin x cos x at x is equal to pi by 2 is. Okay. So equation of normal to the curve. So here given a curve y is equal to x plus sin x cos x at x is equal to pi by 2. If x is equal to pi by 2, what about y value? Y is equal to pi by 2 plus sin pi by 2 into cos pi by 2. Sin pi by 2 is 1, cos pi by 2 is 0. So it is pi by 2 plus 1 into 0. It is pi by 2. So if x is pi by 2, then we get y also pi by 2. Okay, na? Given curve y is equal to x plus sin x cos x at x equal to pi by 2. First we have to find y coordinate. Okay, na? If x is equal to pi by 2, substitute in given curve, that is y is equal to pi by 2 plus sin pi by 2 value 1 into cos pi by 2 is 0. So clearly we get y is equal to pi by 2. If x is equal to pi by 2, then y value pi by 2. Then find given derivative of the given curve. It is y equal to x plus 1 by 2 into sin 2x. 1 by 2 into sin 2x. Multiply and divided by 2. It is 2 sin x cos x sin 2x. Okay, na? So then derivative dy by dx is equal to derivative of x is 1. Derivative of sin 2x is 2 cos 2x. 2 divided by 2 remove. Okay, na? At x is equal to pi by 2. At x is equal to pi by 2 dy by dx. It is 1 minus 1. X value pi by 2. 2 into pi by 2 is pi. Cos pi value minus 1. So 1 minus 1, it is 0. Slope of tangent is 0. But find equation of normal. So equation of normal, that is y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x1. Here m value 0. Slope is 0. Equation of normal formula y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x1. By cross multiplication, LHS total term becomes to 0. Then it is x minus pi by 2 is equal to 0. Then it is 2x minus pi is equal to 0 or 2x is equal to pi. It is equation of normal to the curve y equal to x plus sin x cos x at x is equal to pi by 2. Cover this one. Okay, now write down next question. Equation of normal. Next question. Equation of normal. Equation of normal at 9, 4 on the curve root x plus root y is equal to 5 is equation of normal to the curve root x plus root y is equal to 5 at the point is 9, 4. First, given curve root x plus root y is equal to 5. What about derivative of root x? 1 by 2 root x plus derivative of root y 1 by 2 root y into dy by dx is equal to derivative of constant, it is 0. So 1 by 2 root y dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by 2 root x. Both sides 1 by 2 remove. At 9, 4. At 9, 4. So here y coordinate is 4. Root 4 value 2. So it is 1 by 2 dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by 3. It is x coordinate is 9. Root 9 value 3. So here dy by dx is equal to minus 2 divided by 9. But here find equation of normal. How to find equation of normal? Equation of normal. Formula y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by m. That is 3 by 2 into x minus equation x1. x1 value 9. So it is a slope of tangent is minus 2 by 3. Its perpendicular is a normal. Perpendicular slope of minus 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. So y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x1. Then by cross multiplication, 2y minus 8 is equal to 3x minus 27. So then equation is 3x minus 2y minus 19 is equal to 0. It is equation of normal to the curve at the point 9, 4. Okay, copy this one. Today class is completed. Tomorrow we are going to discuss continuation of tangent and normal subject. Okay,